What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to taste test space food. Well, at least that's what they advertise as a space food. Check this out, astronaut food. I got peaches right here, bananas. Next we got here freeze-dried whole strawberry. Check this out. The packaging is so beautiful, it's like a product clickbait. Look, astronaut food, buy it. I wonder if it's actual astronaut food, but maybe it's very similar, but not actual. Let me know in comments below. This one is red seedless grapes. So it's like raisins. I don't know why don't they call them just raisins. And the last one is ready to eat cinnamon apple veggies. So all this is just freeze-dried food. I wonder what it's going to taste like. I'm gonna leave banana till the end because I bet it's going to taste good. Okay, I'll start with the least exciting one, like cinnamon apple veggies. Definitely a beautiful packaging for sure. Ooh, check this out. Oh, there's some fell down, but it's definitely freeze-dried, not just dried. Cinnamon apple veggies. Okay, let's take a bite. Wow, it's like said, it's disappeared. I thought it would be chewy like it's a dried food, but it is a freeze-dried food. Honestly, it reminds me of an astronaut ice cream because it just disappears in your mouth. So cool. And it definitely tastes like cinnamon apple. Wow. I did not expect to see it like that. Look how crunchy that is. It's actually good. Wow. Whew. A little bit too sour, but I usually don't eat that much of a sour stuff. Okay, let's open it up, see what the grapes looks like. I think it's gonna look like raisins, but let's find out. Oh, no way, look at that. It's not raisins at all. Check this out. They look cut up. That's insane. I never had raisins like that. Definitely very, very crunchy. And you know what? Once you give them some moisture, because when they freeze dried, there is no moisture at all. So when you start chewing, you give saliva into this freeze dried grapes, it's actually tastes just like raisins. Wow, this is good actually. I didn't expect it. How do they look and taste? There's actually explanation in the back. They look and taste just like fresh grapes. Does it look like fresh grapes? Let me know in comments below. But without the moisture. Freeze drying simply removes all of the water from the fruit, making this a delicious, nutritious, lightweight, ready-to-eat, shelf-stable stock. Whether you are on a space mission or looking for healthy snacks on the go, freeze-dried red seedless grapes are the perfect treat. I'll tell you one thing for sure, they don't look like fresh grapes, but they definitely taste really good. And I actually love the texture of that crunchiness. Okay, next packet, we got here peaches. Freeze-dried peaches. I am excited to see what they look like. Wow, that's crazy. They weigh nothing. Feels like styrofoam, honestly. Okay, let's start to bite into one. Wow. They definitely taste like peaches. Once again, I didn't expect to see that. So far, grapes are my favorite. That's so interesting. Honestly, I thought it was just gonna be a bunch of dried fruit. No, freeze-dried is huge difference. Making a mess over here. Okay, this one is whole strawberry freeze-dried. I love this packaging. Definitely the best clickbait right here. Wow. Can you believe it? They feel like styrofoam. Do you hear them banging on each other? This is what I mean. But they look like styrofoam. It seems like it's not even edible. If I would come up and give it to somebody, they'll be like, no way. Alright, let's taste this. Wow. Tastes like strawberry. It have this like little sour flavor with a little bit of a strawberry flavor. So interesting, I can't believe it. I can't believe how crunchy strawberries can be if you suck all the moisture out of it. And there's another one. Do you hear that? Insane. Alright, next one. Who does not like bananas? This is probably gonna be my favorite. That's why I saved the last one for the best. Once again, bunch of very lightweight fruit. Feels like this packet actually heavier than actual bananas. There you go, freeze-dried. Definitely tastes like bananas. And once again, it's like eating those Cheez-Its, I don't know, those puff balls or something like that. Wow, have you ever had dried bananas? Not freeze-dried bananas, just regular dried bananas. Well, I have. Tastes exactly the same, but the texture to it, it's not chewy at all. It's just like puff balls, you know? That's actually good. You know what? Banana is still my favorite. My second favorite was grape. Yeah, grapes are really good too. Everything else is just too sour for me. It's good. It tastes like apple. It tastes like peaches. And if you eat strawberry, it tastes like strawberry. It even looks like strawberry. When you bite into it, it doesn't feel like strawberry. But you actually feel the flavor of a strawberry. And it's kind of a sour taste. But banana has that sweet taste to it. So is grapes. This is actually fun to eat it. It's like a junk food. I see why they call it astronaut food, because it's so lightweight, and as you know, it is very expensive to send stuff in space. Super expensive. I don't know exactly the number, but 1 pound costs hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So that's why all the food, astronaut food, have to be lightweight as possible, or everything that they send in space, they try to make as lightweight as possible. You know what? I'm finishing banana. That's so good. This is a perfect healthy snack, that's for sure. Because I feel like I ate a bunch of junk food, but it's actually supposedly healthy for you. It definitely makes a huge mess. Let me just show you. If you bite into it, you see it just turns into dust. It's like smaller pieces. And that's why when I was eating it, opening it, look, the stuff just comes off of it, like it's crumbles so easily. Well, there you go guys, astronaut space food. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.